Welcome to Quick Answers to Common Export Questions. I'm Kari Crane, editor of the Shipping Solutions International Trade blog. Let's jump into today's question. What export documents are required? The short answer, it depends. Export document requirements vary based on the country you're exporting from, the country you're shipping to, the method of transportation, the type of product, and any specific buyer or carrier requirements. That said, there are a few documents that show up in almost every export shipment. A commercial invoice lists the seller and buyer, describes the goods, and states the price. It's the cornerstone of your documentation package. A packing list details how the items are packed, their weights and dimensions, and any identifying marks or numbers. A shipper's letter of instruction is sort of a cover memo that provides your freight forwarder or carrier information they need to arrange the transportation of your goods and comply with the applicable export regulations. Other documents may be required depending on the specifics of your shipment, like a certificate of origin, bill of lading, or bank draft. For a complete overview, check out our free white paper, The Beginner's Guide to Export Forms. It's linked here and includes free templates for all of the most common export forms. Or watch our video, 12 Documents Required for Exporting, where we walk through a dozen of the most important export documents in more detail.